I'm Kelly, and he's Dwight, aka the Pirate Man and the Winch. We go chasing sunsets and sunrises on all of our adventures. One of my favorite photos to capture.
I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Our adventures are by cruise ship,
The world in action,
runabout,
what we can be,
sailing, however we can be on the water.
this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somewhere we can discuss. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
As you can see, we have fun wherever we go. Our dream is to find our own boat so we can tour the world, sailing around. Come join us on our adventures. Today we're looking at a 1988 Island Packet 38. Going to apologize in advance. It is extremely windy while we're looking at this boat, so I am voiceovering this part, but I have the actual vocals on the rest of it, and you will see and hear the wind. You can see it on Dwight right now. This is a very nice boat in St. Simons, Georgia. So come along with us as we look around and see what we think. Do what? Walking on the top deck. Pretty sure it's our propane and water. Is that okay? Breezy, guys. Walk down this other side. The teak all needs work on this. There's the Traveler. It is a Mac pack. The Dodgers got some age to it. Like I said, all the teak needs refinishing. Look in here. We have a Carib dinghy and davits, and a little 9.5 horsepower Yamaha. This is the controls of the cockpit. What's that cover? That big bramery. Yeah. Okay. Open that back up. Little storage. And then we have access to steering controls. On this side, there is deep storage. And like I said, we have our compass and we have all of our auto helm and stuff. And then this is hot and cold cockpit shower, which is handy. And this is looking out from the captain's seat. Looks pretty good. Playing with the winches. It's a big one. And like I said, you have the life raft on the dinghy. Like a chart plotter and speed and distance. There's the solar, radar, wind generator, pretty good solar. Got a screen. Going down inside. Here's the engine. She's been through a complete rebuild. Only has 50 hours. Just gotta get a light. There we go. Looks really good. Fridge freezer. Again, good size, lots of insulation. Then we have the rest of the galley. The gimbaled stove, 3 burners, storage, sink, big water pump. There's the water, no, that's the AC unit. Double sink. Your head. It's accessible. This is a wet head. Salon. Nav station is a rear-facing nav station. And there's all our controls. Back behind here. And there's your batteries. Found the batteries. 3 or 4 of them. Table. It flips all the way open. There should be something to hold that up. We have this aft cabin, which is again a big double berth with a port light, more engine access, so you have really good access to the engine. And this leads you into the head. So you can access it from the main salon or the aft cabin. hanging locker and drawers. Plenty of ventilation. My husband's on the floor again. This is the front cabin. It is a Pullman berth with lots of storage. Hanging locker. This is the B-berth or master berth head. As you can see, I'm standing in it. It's pretty large. It has two hatches, or one hatch, two port lights. It has a wet head. Has a seat here for the toilet. And then this will be your chain locker with lots and lots of chain. Spin back around and open this door. Latch it back. And you see this Pullman berth. Not room here. New through-hole needle for the water maker and the AC that's under the sink. This is the forward head. Come through the Pullman berth. And then we have all the storage. And it closes off. Come into the salon. And then you have your galley. Your other head, also a wet head. So this is a two cabin, two head. This is your rear cabin double. So, real nice, lots of room. Hey guys, in this video we looked at a 1988 Island Packet 38. It's located in St. Simons Island, Georgia. Wasn't on our list to look at. The broker that we looked at the other Island Packet in the previous video suggested we go look at this one. It's outside of our price range, and we knew that, and we told him that, but he thought we should go look at it. It is by far the boat layout and boat design that we would like to have outside of having an aft cabin center cockpit boat. This boat is beautiful. It is well priced for an Island Packet 38. Most of them exceed 100,000 that are on the market in this range, and this one is below 100,000, so it is an extremely good buy. It was just outside of our price range. So in that, you can see we dug through everything on this boat, digging in all the compartments and stuff, which is normal for us. If we're looking at a boat to buy, we're going to go through everything we can go through, and I try to show that to you. Basically, it's raw video of us digging and clambering through a boat and looking, and we're thankful to the broker that was okay with us doing that, and he answered questions. The only thing that we know this boat really needs is they put the AC system and a water maker under the sink, and they put the through hole for the drain for that on the port side under the settee, but it's not been plumbed together, so that needs to be done. And outside of that, just some good cleaning, and the teak on the boat has just a natural finish on it, where I thought it needed to be refinished. It's in good shape. It's just got a natural finish on it. The boom needs lifting a little bit off of the bimini. It's rubbed a spot in the canvas on the bimini. But other than that, this boat is ready to go. So if anybody's looking for an Island Packet 38, I will put the information down below of the broker and how to get in touch with him, and the website where you can go see all the pictures online on top of what I've posted. Like I said, if I had the money, this would be the boat I would go buy. So up next will be another boat video that we tour. I believe it's an 84 Island Packet 31. So check it out, and we will see you soon.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.